From class 18, question number 210. Question number 210 is 7, 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 7 equals to what? See here. Had there been plus 7 also, trick must be applied correctly. But see here, 2 sevens, 3 7, 4 7 are here, but only single 7 is not present there. That means trick is not being applied here according to the rule. But I will be applying the same trick, and since 7 plus is disturbing to apply your trick, that must be taken out at the last. That means here, had there been 7 plus also, your trick says the answer would have been 7 into 4, 7 into 3, 7 into 2, 7 into 1. That means 7 4 ja 28, 8, 2, 7 3 ja 21, 2, 23, 7 2 ja 14, 2, 16, 7 1 ja 7, 1, 8. This would have been the correct answer and final answer had there been 7 also. But since there is no 7, that means we have to subtract that 7 which was disturbing your trick. That means correct answer should be 8 6 3 1. This must be the right answer. Note down 8 6 3 1. That means you have to watch whether the trick must be applied or not. If trick cannot be applied here, certainly you are going to apply the trick. At last, the disturbing element must be taken out from the result. That will be your final answer. Now, question number 211. The same question. See here. Question number 211. This is 666, 46, 46, 66, single 6. That means trick is to be applied here. Since single 6, double, triple, 4 all are available here, that means 6 must be multiplied in decreasing order from the maximum to minimum. That means 4 3 2 1. Now see, 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, 2 remaining. 6 3 ja 18, 2 20, 0, 2 remaining. 6 2 ja 12, 2 14, 1 remaining. 6 1 ja 6, 1 7. This is your final answer, as each and every term is available there. Single 6, double 6, triple 6, 4 6. That means no need to subtract anything. This is your final answer. Note down. 212. See. Now question number 212. This is 0.7777, 0.777, again 0.777 3 times, again 0.772 times, again 0.71 time. That means again the trick must be applied here, as single 7 is there, double 7 is there, triple 7 is there, 4 7 is there. Trick must be applied. But see here, there are 2 types of questions. That means without decimal one type and with decimal the other. That means if this is only, see here, if this is only like this, certainly you have gone through this type. See here, your system is 7 into 4, 7 into 3, 7 into 2, 7 into 1, like this. But see here, your question is in decimal system. That means if the same pattern be maintained, but the question must be in decimal, you have to reverse the order of multiplication. That means for this question you have to answer like this: 7 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That means you have to go in increasing order here, as in this case you go to decreasing order, the reverse of that one. That means you have to answer here 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21 plus 1 22, 7 4 ja 28 to 30. That means you have to put decimal after some digits here. Decimal at the most is at the 4 places. That means we have to count 1 2 3 4, put here a decimal. This is your final answer. This is your decimal. Note down. This is your final answer. 3.0247 must be the right answer. Okay, note down. In decimal system, you have to reverse the order. That means in plain system, you go through 4, 3, 2, 1 like downward. In this system, decimal system, you have to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now, question number 213. 213. See here. This is 0.666, again 0.666, again 0.66, again 0.666 equals to what? That means again 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja. This will be giving you the correct answer. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 1 19, 6 4 ja 24, 1 25. Decimal after 4 places from the right side. Answer is 2.5926. Note down. This is question number 230 is explanation. Now coming to 214. See, now your next question is question number 214, and this is just like this: 0.9 4 times, 0.9 3 times, and 0.9 2 times. See here, had there been 0.9 also, the tricky approach would have been applied here, and that is 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 9 3 ja, 9 4 ja. This must be the order. But see here, 0.9 is not appearing here. That means you have to apply the trick by force, and 0.9 must be taken out at the last in order to correct the answer. That means 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 128, 9 4 ja 36 to 38. This would have been, see here, listen to me, this would have been your final answer had there been 0.7 also, 0.9 also, had there been 0.9 also. That means 0.9 must be taken out here and 0.9 must be taken out here in order to have the correct answer. Now your correct answer is coming to you 988. This is 2.9. This is the final answer, 2.9889. Note down. That means when any term is disturbing you, applying your trick, certainly you apply the trick and at last that must be taken out. This is the fair way to solve such questions if trick is not being applied properly. Now see here, 215 now. See, this is 6.327 plus 8.23 plus 9.7 equals to what? In such type of questions, in order to have the safe point, in order to there must not be any mistake in calculation. As far as calculation is concerned, your calculation must be true. For that you have to maintain the places of decimal. That means here decimal after 3, here decimal after only 2, here decimal after only 1. You have to maintain the equality here. That means by putting 0 or zeros, according to the need from the right side, you have to maintain the sequence. That means here is 3, here must be 3, here must be 3. Now this is your easy situation in order to sum up the terms, numbers. Say 0, 0, 7, 7, 0 plus 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12, decimal 1 remaining, 9 plus 1, 10, 18, 6, 24. That means you got the correct answer without committing any mistake. This is your correct answer. 24, let me see, 7.9.6. oh, see here, question has been mail-in. Just question 215 must match. This is the right answer, but question is like this. 215 is like this. 215, 6.327 plus 8.92 plus 7.66. I took another question, some part of question number 215 and some part of question number 216. Just erase this, come to your original question. See, this is the original one. Match question number 215 is 6.327 plus 8.92 plus 7.66. Maintain the same way. You have to put a 0 here. You have to put a 0 here. 3 digits. You have to put a 0 here as well. Now 0 plus 7 is 7. 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. 1 plus 6 7, 9 16 plus 3 19, 1 remaining 7 1 8, 8 16, 2 22. This is your final answer, 22.907. Okay. Not done. Then I will be coming to question number 216. Not done. Question number 216 is 23.467. The same situation prevailing here as well. 8.23 plus 9.7. See here. Here is decimal after 3 digits. Here decimal after only 2 digits. Here decimal after only 1 digit. That means you have to make up. You have to make the equality here. That means since there are 3 digits before the decimal, that means you have to put 1 0 here and 2 zeros here. Now add, sum up. 0 0 7 7. 0 plus 3 plus 6 9. 7 to 9 plus 4 13. 1 remaining 10, 8 18, 3 21, 2 remaining 2 to 4. According to me, this is your final answer. Not done. Thus you solve question number 216 as well. Now coming to question number 217. Pattern changes here. Question 217 is the most important question of such type of summation and subtraction. In your bank clerk examination, certainly 6 to 7 questions are asked from this topic. That means plus or minus of fractions, of decimal numbers, of plain numbers. 217. See, 6 3 by 4 plus 8 1 by 4 plus 9 2 by 3 plus 7 1 by 3 equals to how much? I am giving you the answer within second. Answer within seconds here. This will be 1, this will be 1 1 1 2 6 8 14 2 16 9 25 7 32. Perhaps 32 coming to, of course, here 32. That means without using pen you solve this question, answer is 32. But for this you have to develop the concept, you have to memorize some points here. I am dictating you. See here. If there is a fraction, any fraction maybe, if there is a fraction and after that there is a sign of plus and the difference of these two, that is 1 by the same denominator, certainly the result happens always 1. That means any numbers you may have, see here, 1 by 3 plus difference, you have to say difference of these two, that is 2 by must be 3, the same, this is 1. That means see here, whenever you are going to sum up, whenever you are going to add mixed fraction numbers, certainly you have to see the fractions. That means you have to see here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That means see here 3 by 4, see here, yeah, 3 by 4 1 by 3. Let me see, 3 by 4 plus, okay, see here 3 by 4 and the difference is 1 by 4. 2 by 3, the difference is 1 by 3. That means this is just like this is 1 6 8 14 6 8 14 9 23 7 30. That means this is 30 and this will be after summation. See here, you have to only see 1, this is only 1 and answer coming is 32 finally. This is your final answer. That means we have to see if there is a fraction and plus the difference of numerator and denominator by the same denominator, certainly result must be only 1. That means this is 1, this is 1 and these are after addition 30. This is 30 plus 2, finally 32. Note. That means you got the answer of question number 217 also. The answer is coming 32. See here, if in a situation there is 11 by 19 plus 8 by 19, certainly without any calculation you say answer will be 1. 11 by 19, the difference 8 by 19, the same denominator, result will be only 1. That means there must be two fractions be added, there must be two fractions be added and the numerator of the second fraction must be the difference of the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction, and the denominator of the second must be the denominator of the first. Certainly the result will be only 1. Now come to question number 218. Come to question number 218. See here, this is 8 2 by 7 plus 9 1 by 6 plus 3 5 by 6 plus 2 5 by 7. In such type of questions we have to watch here, is there any possibility of making one? Is there any possibility of making one? See here, this is based upon that condition. 2 by 7 plus the difference 5 by 7. That means after addition these two will be giving you only 1. See here, again the same situation. The difference is 5 and the same denominator. This will be after addition giving you only 1. That means here 8 plus 9 17 plus 3 20 plus 2 22 plus 1 this one plus 1 this one. That means again answer is 24 only. Note down. This is the easiest way in order to solve such type of questions. When the questions are to add all the fractions, all the mixed fractions, you have to adopt this method. But sometimes after addition of these two, there must not be only one coming to you. In that case, what you have to do? Listen to me. Now write down question number 219. 219 is 7 3 by 4 plus 8 2 by 5 plus 9 3 by 5 plus 7 1 by 4. That means we have to watch here. Is there any fraction? Is there any fraction making 1? No. That means the difference is 1 here. This is making. That means the difference of 3 and 4 is 1 and the denominator is same here. That means this is 1 coming. Listen to me. 3 by 4, 2 by 3. This is also. The difference is 3 by 4, 5. Okay. That means 7, 8, 15. 7, 8, 15 plus 9, 24. 7, 31. Again 1 plus 1. That means 33. This is your answer. Note down. This is the solution of question 219. You have to see the fractions. If the difference of the second, listen to me carefully. If the numerator of the second fraction, if the numerator of the second fraction must be the difference of the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction, and the denominator of the second fraction must be equal to the first fraction, certainly after addition of these two fractions result will be only 1. Now question 220. Now question 220. See. 1920. This is 8 2 by 15 plus 7 1 by 5 plus 9 3 by 5. See here, there are no two fractions. There are no two fractions making 1. There are no two fractions making 1. As the difference of these two be 13. 13 is not there anywhere. Difference of these two maybe 4, must be 4. That is not available here. That means in such a situation you have to do like this, the solutions here. You have to solve only these fractions, not mixed fractions. Only these fractions only. 15, 5 and 5 LCM is 15. 15 1 jar, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 9, and this is 3 2 5 plus 9 14 by 15, and add this all. 8 plus 7 15 plus 9 24. That means answer coming to 24 14 by 15. This is the final answer. 24 14 by 15. Note down first. This is the final answer. Note down first. Again, the next question is 221. The next question is 221. See, 221 is like this. 8972 plus what equals to 726 plus 2916. That means this is plus what? That means you have to send this number rightward. You have to send this number rightward. That means this will be going after this sign becoming negative. That means this will be negative. The question is in a position. You have to watch this. This what will be remaining here, and this number will be going there in order to be subtracted from the result of these two. That means we have to add these two and put here the result, then subtract. That will be your final answer. See here, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. That means 9 plus 3, 12, and 2 plus 7, 9, 1, 10. You have to subtract here. This is 0, 14, 7, 11, 2, 9, 1. Your answer is 1270. Perfectly the right answer came to you. Note down. This is question number 221, and now come to question number 222. See here. 7, 2, 3, 6 minus what equals to 3, 2, 4, 7 plus 3, 6, 7. You have to watch here. See here. That means since the symbol of what is in negative case, that means this symbol will be going that way in order to make positive 8, and this result must be coming this way. That means this sum must be subtracted from this one. You have to sum up and write here, then subtract. See here. 7 plus 7, 14. See here. 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 11. 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6, and this is only 3. You have to subtract here. That means 2, 2, 6, 6, 3. This is your answer, 3622. Perfectly the right answer came to you. Now I will be coming to question number 221. 221. Just note down. Question number 222. Note down. Now the next question is coming to you is question number 223, and see, question number 223 is like this: 1 1 by 2, 11 1 by 2, 1 1 1 1 by 2 plus 1 1 1 1 1 by 2. You have to sum all these. That means, see here, this is 1 plus 11 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1, and half plus half plus half plus half. This will be 1, this will be 1. See here. Such type of questions you already solved even today also. That means single 1, double 1, triple 1, 4 1. You multiply 1 by 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. That means after addition, this is your 1 4 ja 4, 1 3 ja 3, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, plus this is 1, this is 1. That means you got the result 1 2 3 6. This is perfectly the right answer. Note down. Thus you solve question number 223 also. This is the mixed type. Now coming to question 224. Now coming to question number 224. See what the question 224 says to you. This is based upon algebraic formula. That means I have already dictated you some formula in order to add some natural numbers, in order to add some squares of natural numbers. You have to add some cubes of natural numbers. See here, 1 2 3 up to 100 equals to what? That means, see here, the first formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dotted lines plus n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This question is totally based upon this. That means n is 100 in your question. That means sum total must be here n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is 50, 0, 0, 5, 0, 5. That means this is your final answer. Note down. 5050 is the right answer. This question has been asked so many times in your examinations within 30 years. I mean to say almost 50 times this question has been asked. You have to remember only the formula given here. Second formula must be applied to the next question. This is like this: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square is n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6. This formula must be applied to your question number 225. See. Now 225 is based upon the square values of some natural numbers starting from 1 continuously up to 20. 1, 2, 3 up to 20 square equals to what? That means sum total must be here n plus 1, 20. I am writing, displaying 20 plus 1, 2 into 20 plus 1 divided by 6. That means in examination hall you have to write only 20 and 20, 21 and 41 by 6. See here. 3 7 ja 3 2 ja 10, 7 28 10. Your answer is 2870. Option A is the correct answer. Note down. You have to remember three formula here. The sum of natural numbers starting from 1, the sum of all natural squares of all natural numbers starting from 1, and the sum of cubes of all natural numbers starting from 1. Now come to question number 226, and third formula will be coming to you just now. 226. This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus 10 cube equals to what? That means your third formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dotted lines up to n cube equals to n plus 1, the same formula which was in formula 1, but here should be a square. That means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dotted lines up to n cube is n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That means sum total of these will be here n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That means this is 55 whole square. And 55 whole square is 5 6 the 30, and this is 25. This is your answer of question number 226. 3025 is final answer. Not done. If you remember the formula, certainly no need to derive the formula and you will be answering such type of question within seconds. But if you don't remember the formula, certainly this question must be skipped by you in the examination hall, as there must be taking so many times, much enough than the required time. See, 227. This is 1 2 3 up to 50. Again this is 50 49 up to 1. See here, this is your question. You have to sum up all this. That means we have to make a plan here in order to ease the question. See here, 1 plus up to 49 and again 1 plus up to 49. That means you have to calculate the value of this and double this, you got the value of this, and then only to add 50 you will be getting the final answer. That means if you have to add all these 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, certainly this is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and this must be multiplied by 2 in order to get the sum of these and these. Thus you solved this part and this part. This is your answer coming to. But another term is 50 remaining here. This one you have to answer. See here, again 2 and 2 is cancelled here. 50 must be taken as a common 50. This is 49 plus 1. 50 into 50 equals to 2500. This is your final answer. Take out. This question has been asked in my memory perhaps 2 times. This is asked. Certainly I got the answer 1 plus 49 summation and doubled it in order to get the sum of this and this. Certainly then 50 will be remaining, only 50 must be added to that. Certainly getting the right answer. Now the next question starts from 228. Is totally based upon binary number system. Question number 228 is totally based upon binary number system. See here, this is your binary number system. How will you define 14? How will you write 14 in a binary number system? How will you write 14 in a binary number system? BNS, I will be telling time and again, BNS, that means binary number system. See here, question has asked you to show 14 in a binary number system. Binary number system. See here. That means in or you have to explain 14 in binary number system. Firstly, you will have to grasp the system of binary number. That means write down firstly BNS. What does it mean? BNS. What does it mean? This is a short form of binary number system. In Hindi, what does it? In Hindi, द्विआधारी अंकन पद्धति, binary number system, द्विआधारी अंकन पद्धति. In English, binary number system. In Hindi, द्विआधारी अंकन पद्धति, BNS. Write down the note or definition of binary number system. Write down. In a binary number system, write down, in a binary number system, any number given is certainly divided successively. You must know this word in this chapter. At the beginning I have used successively, लगातार, सतत, क्रमागत, क्रमशः. Successively by 2 full stop. That means the given number is divided by 2. Given number is divided by 2 and the remainder got is written, and in next step the quotient got is again divided by 2. The quotient got is again divided by 2 and the remainder is noted, and again the same system is maintained till last. Again the same system is maintained till last. Finally from the last quotient and last remainder, we reach to the first remainder. And that happens the answer of that question. In BNS, binary number system. And that happens the answer of that question in BNS, binary number system. See here. Question has told you 14 must be in binary system. 14 must be in binary system. This is the symbol of binary. That means we have to divide. See here. That means we have to divide 14 successively by 2. You have to divide 14 successively by 2. Had it been trinary system, you have to divide this number successively by 3. This is binary. But binary system is very much useful for our computer system, but ternary is not used. Since your divisor, see here, listen to me, since your divisor is 2 and you are writing only remainders, remainders will be only 0 and 1. As your divisor is 2, remainder is always less than the divisor. Certainly, since you have divided all the time by 2, remainder must be only 0 or 1. See here, 14 be divided by 2, the result quotient is 7. 2 7 ja 14, remainder is here. 2 3 ja, see here, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6, 1 remaining. 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2, 1. That means the last quotient. Now this 1 can't be divided by 2. This is the last quotient. I have dictated you in the note. Certainly accept the last quotient and the take the last quotient and the last remainder up to the first remainder. That means 14 in binary system will be written like this: 1 1 1 and 0. This is your answer. Note down. But I will be giving you a tricky approach for BNS. That will be saving your time, certainly, no doubt. You have to divide the given number by 2 successively, and you have to write down the remainders, then pick up from the right, from the below to top. That means the last quotient, the last remainder, next remainder up to first remainder. But see here, in a practical approach, certainly 14 must be written in binary system like this. Here, you have to accept this: 1 2 2 4 4 8 16 13. That means this trick must be applied in order to solve problems based upon binary number system. That means you have been asked represent 14 in binary number system. That means you write here only 1 first, then 2 2, then 4 4, 8 16 32 64, 1 2 8 2 5 6 and so on. That means you have to think now, after addition of 2 or 3 or 4 or more, the result must be only 14. You have to pick up some values from these only, and those must be added in order to make 14 only. See here, you will have to accept 8 plus 4 12 plus 2, 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 happens 14. That means you accepted this, write 1, accepted this, write 1, accepted this, write 1, didn't accept this, write 0. This is the answer of 14 in binary number system. Write down. So easily you can solve the answer within seconds. In binary number system, 14 will be written like this. Now coming to next question, that is 2 to 9. See, 2 to 9. You have to write 27 in binary number system. See here, you have to write 27 in binary number system. You have to pick up some values from here itself. You have to pick up some values from here itself in order to make 27 after addition. That means you have to search 16 plus 8 24, 16 plus 8 24, and 27 you have to make 24 plus 2 plus 1. This is 27. That means you accepted this, but this was not accepted, put 0. This is accepted, this is accepted. That means 27 in binary system must be 1 1 0 1 1. Match the answer, 1 1 0 1 1. Perfectly right answer. Very easy method this is. You have to write 1 2 4, 1 2 left part, 1 2 4 8 16 32 double. Now question number 230. See, 230 is 33 in binary number system. You have to write down 33 in binary number system. Make 33 by accepting some of them. That means you will have to accept 32 and only 1. This is 33 now. 32 plus 1 is 33. That means you accepted this, In between, you didn't accept this, didn't accept this. That means your answer is this one. 1 4 0 1. Not done. Now the pattern is just reversed. Now the pattern is just reversed. Question 231 is in just reverse order. You have been given a number written in binary number system. You have been given a number written in binary number system, and you have to convert this binary number system number into a decimal number system. That means you have to change this number written in binary, but you have to write this number in decimal system. That means you have to say this is 23, 25, 26, 32, 34, like this. See here. That means in order to make this number in decimal system, convert this number in decimal system, you have to write this like this. See here. You have to put all these values from the right side. See here. 1011, 1011. You have to put from the right side. You have to put the given binary number system from the right side. That means you accepted this 1, you accepted this 2, you didn't accept this. That means no need to accept 4. Okay, you accepted this. That means 8. Your answer is 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. This is your answer in decimal system. Note down. If the number is in BNS, certainly you can calculate it into decimal system without having this support directly. Okay, you have to take the support indirectly. See question number 232. Now 232 is the addition of these two numbers 1110 plus 1011 equals to what? See here. If this is to be asked, 1110 is how much in decimal system, certainly you will be writing here 0, not accept, 1 double, 2 double, 4 double. That means this is your 14. This is your 14. That means you can write here 14. See here, let me write here as well. See here, this is 0, but it is 1 if there is symbol of 1. This is 1, 1 double 2 double 4 double 8. That means you got this as 14 in decimal system. Again see here, this is 1, this is 2, this had been 4, but don't never accept here as that is 0, 2 4, this is 8. Now 11, this is 11 plus 14 happens 25. This is your final answer. But see the option, since you have to add true numbers written in binary number system, options are in binary number system still. That means you have to change now this 25 into a binary system. 25 can be written as in binary systems here. For this 1 2 4 8 16 and so on, you have to make 25 only. That means you will have to accept 16, 8 and 1. 16 plus 8 24, 1 25. That means your answer is coming like this. That means 25 can be written in binary system 11001. This must be the answer. Match the answer from the given options or given answer. Your answer is option A, that is 11001. Perfectly the right answer here. Note down. But I will be dictating you, I will be convincing you the another way in order to have the sum of the two numbers written in binary number system. In second method, you will feel very much easier. See here. If you are going to add two numbers written in binary number system, you have to accept this. That means whenever the sum is 2, this will be supposed as 10, the sum is 3, this will be supposed as 11. This trick will be helping you too much. See here. You have to add 1110 with 1011. See here, you have to add here. If the result is sum total is coming 2, you will have to accept as 10. The result is 3, you will have to accept as 11. See here, 0 plus 1 only 1. Write down. 0 plus 1 only 1. Write down. 1 plus 1 2. 2 equals to 10. That means 0, 1 remaining. Again 1 plus 1 2. 2 equals to 10. 0, 1 remaining. 1 1 2 and 1 3. 3 means 11. You got the answer? Note down. For summation of two numbers given in binary number system, answer must be in binary number system. This method is the most suitable method. You have to add. If you get only 2, the result will be 10. If you get only 3, the result will be 11. Now 2, 3, 3. See, this is 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1. Note down, write down. 1 plus 1, 2 equals to 10, 0. 1, 1, 2 equals to 10, 0. 1, 1, 2 equals to 10, 0. 1, 1, 2 equals to 10. This is your answer. 1, 4 zeros. 2, 33, 1, put 4 zeros, right word. Now, next question is 234 written in decimal. See here, that means your number is in decimal. 0.8125 equals to how much in binary number system? You have to convert a decimal number written in decimal into a binary number system. See here, if your number is in decimal system 8125, certainly you have to multiply this given decimal number. You have to multiply by 2, as you are in binary number system. In binary number system, the base always is only 2. That's why you are multiplying this by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 50, 2 16 decimal. Again, this decimal, that means this part 6250 be multiplied by 2. All the time you have to multiply any result by 2 only. Okay, that means here 0, 2 5 10, 2 2 4 1 5, 2 6 12. Again 2 5 0 be multiplied by 2. This will be just like this 500, and again this 5000 be multiplied by 2. This will be like this. Now see here, you can't multiply this by 2, that will be only 0. That means we have to stop yourself now. How will you be writing the answer? Listen to me carefully. Now you have to take all the digits from top to bottom. That means your answer is like this. Your answer is firstly 0. See here, 1 1 arrow has been given here. 1 1 0 1. This is your answer. 1 1 0 1. This must be the right answer. 1.1101. Note down. If the number given to you is in decimal, certainly you multiply that decimal number by 2 all the time, and again the decimal right side number must be multiplied by 2 till last. Now you can't multiply here. You have to accept all the digits after decimal from top to bottom. Okay. See. Now 2 3 5. Question number 2 3 5. This is 57.375 equals to what in binary number system? See here, 57 is another condition. 1 2 4 8 16 32, like this. Now you have to make 57. 57 means 32 16 48 56 and 1 57. That means 1 1 1 0 0 and 1. This is your 57. That means your answer will be 1 1 1 0 0 1, then decimal. Match 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1, then decimal. We have to solve this part like this. 0.375 be multiplied by 2, 750 be multiplied by, see here, 750 be multiplied by 2, this is 1500, and again 0.500 be multiplied by 2, this is 1000. That means you can't multiply this by 2. Now you have to accept like this. That means this is 0 1 1. This is your final answer. That means 0.375 equals to 0.011, this much, and 57 is equal to this much. Again the answer is this much. Note down. That means in order to solve such type of questions in which there is an integer as well, 57, and the second part is in decimal system, 57 integral part must be solved like this, and the decimal part must be solved like this by multiplying 2 till last. This is the solution of question 235. Now come to question number 236. 36. This is 11101.001. You have to convert this value in decimal system number. Decimal system number. That means see here, 11101 is 1, 2, don't accept, 44, 88, 16. That means this is 29. This is 29. Your answer will be 29 point. See here, 0.001 to be converted into a plain number in decimal system. Certainly you have to multiply this 0. See here, learn, this 0 must be multiplied by 2 power 1 plus, see here, this 0 must be multiplied 2 power 2, and this must be multiplied, this 1 must be multiplied by 2 power 3. That means 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. This is 1 by 8 only, and 1 by 8 equals to 0.125, and your answer is 125. Note down. You have to solve such type of questions written in binary number system, but you have to answer in decimal system. Certainly this part must be taken as an integer that must be solved having the help of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 by doubling each and every term 1, 2, 4 and so on. This is 29, and this must be like this. That means 0, this 0, see here, this 0 must be multiplied by 2 power minus 1. This 0 must be multiplied by 2 power minus 2. This 1 must be multiplied by 2 power minus 3. And you have to solve. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 equals to 0.125. Now associate all these. That means 29.125 is the final answer coming to. That means another question is the last question of this type, 237. Thus you got the concept of binary number system in plain number, in decimal number, converting binary to decimal system, and decimal to binary system. Write down again. The next question is 237. This is 1001.01 equals to what? That means see here, 1001 equals to 1. Don't write 2, don't write 4, write 8. This is 8 plus 1, 9 here. That means 9. Again 0.01 equals to 0 2 power minus 1 plus 1 2 power minus 2. This is 2 power 4. That means 0.25. Now your answer is this is 9 point, this is 25. That means thus you got the answer 9.25 of question number 237. This is the complete explanation of binary number system. Thus today I solved all the questions from the binary number system given to you in the PDF. Certainly you can collect all the collect more and more questions and solve yourself at home. Certainly you will be getting the better and better concept if you solve at home by creating some questions as well yourself. Okay, note down. This is the last question of today's class. Certainly you have to revise all this. I have gone through here 237 up to all the question must be revised by you today itself. Thank you.